Hey there, manufacturing maestros. Your business runs like a well-oiled machine, but have you thought about the digital threats lurking in the shadows? Cybersecurity breaches and ransomware attacks are skyrocketing. One wrong click and your entire operation could be held hostage. Scary, right? But don't worry, Apptrix has your back. Our cloud hosting solutions are like a digital fortress for your data. We keep the bad guys out so you can focus on what you do best, creating top-notch products. Which would you rather be, stressed and locked out of all of your systems, or confidently running your business with Apptrix ironclad security? Don't let cyber threats slow you down. With Apptrix, your data is safe, your systems are secure, and your business is unstoppable. Ready to take your cybersecurity to the next level? Visit apptrix.com and let's build a safer, stronger future together.